Well guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you an updated tutorial on how to change your Valorant language and also how to change your Valorant home screen. Some people are having issues with the timeout and I've made a new bat launcher so you don't have to deal with that. So the first thing you want to do is just go to the first link down in the description and it will lead you to this GitHub page. Once you're in here, you want to click on code and then download zip. Once you finish downloading, you want to extract the zip file anywhere you want. In my case, it's going to be right here. Inside this folder, I've included a bunch of files for you guys to set up your launcher. So if you want to change your Valorant home screen, you can replace the video, the MP4 video inside this videos folder. And make sure the name is still homescreen.mp4, but if you want to use the one I'm using, feel free to use this. And if you want to change your Valorant language text, I've included a couple of packs file for you guys. So if you want to use the English text, it's going to be right here. And if I use Japanese or Korean, I've included those too. So as you can see here, my Valorant is still in Korean text and the home screen is still the default one. So I'm going to be changing both. So I'll be using this folder right here, combine changer. But if you want to change your home screen, it's going to be on this folder. And if you want to change your language only, it's going to be on this folder. In my case, I'll be doing both. So I'll be changing this one. So there's two bat launcher. There's Xcopy and RoboCopy. It pretty much does the same thing, but you can test both. In my case, I'm going to use Xcopy. So I'll be editing this. So right click and edit. So in here, there's a bunch of text and I'll be explaining all of this to you guys. So the first line here where it says start quotes and then another quotes. On the second quotes here, this is going to be our Valorant launcher. So how do you find that? Is just go to your start menu. Type in Valorant and then you right click that, open file location. It's going to be this one right here. So just click on the top here, copy that, and then just paste it in there and then backslash Valorant. But also if you can't find this, there's another way of doing this. And I'll be doing that. So you type in client here, Riot client here, right click, open file location. You want to copy this right client right here. I'm going to paste it outside here. So it's going to be right here. I'm just going to change the name to Valorant. And you don't have to change the name, but I will do that. You want to go inside this Valorant launch. You want to copy this. Right click on the Valorant one, properties, where it says target here. You want to go to the very end, space once, and then paste it in there and then apply. Also in here where it says start, you want to go to general and then where it says location, you want to just copy that. Click OK and just replace this and then backslash Valorant and you should be good for the first line. For the second line, what it does just basically checks if Valorant.exe is open. If not, it's going to wait for it to open and then it's going to copy the file right here. So you don't have to deal with the timeout. So yeah. And on the copy file here, there's two Xcopy because I'm changing both the home screen and also the language. If you want to change one of those, it's just going to be one of these. So as you can see here, if it's on the home screen changer, it's only the videos one, and if it's just language, if I edit that, it's going to be only the packs. But since I'm changing both, it's going to be both here. So it's going to be Xcopy, and then the first quote, it's going to be where you extract this. So in my case, it's going to be this. So videos, you want to right click on that and properties. So it's going to be this one right here. Just copy that and then just paste it in here. And then backslash videos. There you go. And for this one, you can properties and then just do the same thing. Just copy that and then just paste there. Oops. Backslash packs. There you go. So as you can see, it's videos, packs, and this is the location where that's at. And then for the second one, it's going to be your Valorant directory. How you find that is just type in Valorant, right click, open file location, and then right click again, open file location. And then here you want to go back to Riot Games, and you can see the Valorant folder right here. But if you can't find it that way, you can open Valorant. So you can see I already have that open. You want to right click on your taskbar on the bottom here, and then click Task Manager. Once you're in here, you want to go to Details, and you can see Valorant Win64 shipping here. You want to right click on that and open file location again. It's going to lead you to the Valorant directory, and you can go back to Valorant and then Live, Shooter Game, Content, Movies, Menu. And you want to copy the URL up here. So you can see the default home screen is here. And just paste it in right there. And for the second one, just go back to Content and Packs and copy here. As you can see, it shows KOKR text. So we want to edit our file there also. So I'm just going to save that. And we're going to go back to the packs here and make sure this is also the same as your Valorant language now. So KOKR. I'll be including all of the codes for you guys, or you can just check it in the folder earlier. You can check this folder and see what's the codes, but I will be including it for all the languages, so it's easier for you guys. So once you've done that, that should be it. So that's done. So the start basically just starts the Valorant launcher. This waits for Valorant to open, and then this copies the file for you guys. So if I close my Valorant now, we go to Combine Changer, and then we'll click on Combine Changer Xcopy and just double click that. It's going to wait for Valorant. So give it a second. There you go. Once Valorant open, it's just going to copy the file and it will close the bat. And here we go. Let's wait for Valorant to load. And there you go. As you can see, the text is already in English. And the home screen is the one that I've included on the videos folder. As you can see here, if I go to settings, it's still in Korean. So yeah, that should be good. Also, there's one more part that I will tell you guys. So some people are also having issues with the start here, where they can't start the Valorant from the bat. So you can just delete this. If you're having issues with the start part, you can just delete that and save this again. I'm going to close Valorant one more time. And you can just open Valorant however you do it, whether you have it on your desktop or if you have it anywhere else. In my case, I'll just type in Valorant. I'll just open it. So let's give that a second. Here we go. As you can see, it's downloading the original home screen. And right now, you want to double click on this again. So it's just going to wait for Valorant. Until you click this button, it's still going to wait for Valorant because Valorant.exe is now opening. So once you click this, it's going to copy the file. As you can see there, it closes the bat and it copies the file for you guys. So give that a second. And there you go. It pretty much does the same thing. And it changed my text and also my home screen. So that should help. This should help with the timeout and the start here. You can just delete if you're having trouble with that. That should be it. And one more thing, you can just right click on this and then just drag it to your desktop and create shortcut if you want to make it easier for you guys and you don't want to open this folder every time. And then you can just right click on the shortcut, go to Properties. And then in here, you can change icon. And then I'm just going to go to Valorant here, right click, open file location, right click on this, Properties, change icon. You want to copy this, copy the whole thing, and then just close that out. And then just paste it in there, enter. And then here you go. You want to click OK, OK. And it's going to change the icon. And you can just change this into Valorant. So I'm just going to close this and you can just open your Valorant from here. As you can see, it's waiting for Valorant. It's going to open this. It's going to wait for it to download. As you can see, you don't have to deal with the timeout and click play. and it should open your Valorant normally, and you will have the language text and also the home screen changed. So let's give that a second. And there you go. As you can see, it changed the text and also the home screen, and you have the shortcut on your desktop. And that's it for today's video. If you guys need any help, you can just comment down below and I will reply to you guys. But yeah, thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.